Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a reuse recycle challenge. So let's start with project number 1 is this spring wreath, and we need this garlands and our chandelier ring or holder. As you know guys, this video is all about reuse and recycle stuff. So I am going to reuse all the stuff that I got, which is I got this garland, and as you can see, I'm wrapping it around this chandelier ring. We're not making this as a chandelier, guys. We are making this as a wreath. So, I'm making sure that all the flowers stays on top of this ring. Okay, and now let's put the garland number 2. Let's wrap it around as well. But as you can see guys, I'm making sure the white flowers still stays on top so that the color contrast would be beautiful once we hang it into our wall. Okay? And now I got this purple paper from my previous project. I brought a word spring, and I'm going to cut it, and we are going to stick this in the middle of our wreath. As you can see, there's a middle bar on it. So we are going to stick this word spring. It's almost done, and while we're sticking it guys, I would like to thank my beautiful friend Marika for co-hosting this collaboration or challenge. Thank you so much, my beautiful friend. And guys, if you haven't connect or subscribe or visit her channel, please go and check her out. She does amazing DIYs and shopping hauls. Her channel will be found into my description box, guys. Please go and visit her. Anyway, this is the outcome of my spring wreath. Project number 2 are this candle, and yes, we are going to use these pool noodles or pool noodle. Is it pool noodle? I don't know guys, that's how I called it. But anyway, as you can see guys, this pool noodle, I got it for 15 years sitting in my storeroom guys, and I just didn't know what to do with it, and now I'm so happy to be able to use it. As you can see, it's fading. Even the color is already fading. Anyway, as you can see guys, I use my glue gun again, and I am trying to make a faux drip or wax drip. Okay, and now I took it outside, and we are going to paint it so that it doesn't so obvious that this is a pool noodle. So I just paint it with the heavy pink color. I like the baby pink, but I didn't have any other paint guys apart from this very heavy paint. But anyway, it still work. I think it's better than none. Okay, and this is the outcome. What do you think guys? It came out quite good. And now project number 3 is the Easter sign. As you can see guys, once again I am using a cardboard box from my storeroom. As you know guys, I'm a junk woman, so I'm trying to cut an Easter egg shape or egg shape. Okay, sorry guys, but I supposed to paint this, but I found this purple or lavender crepe paper, so I would rather use this crepe paper rather than painting it, because I think it's very nice color, this lavender crepe paper, and it's easier for me anyway rather than painting it, because sometimes doing the painting is kind of messy. And I'm just using a normal glue guys. Instead of using my glue gun, I just use a normal glue because this is just a paper, so it's easier as well. So as you know guys, all my crafts are very easy to do. Even kids could do these things. So if you want your kids to have some fun, and I'm cutting those letters, Happy Easter, guys. Okay, and now I am going to glue it into this egg that we cut, egg shape. Okay, and as you can see, guys, there's also a bunny, a blue bunny. I've seen some of my crepe paper, collection of crepe paper, guys, so I just got a small bunny to put in the middle of our Easter sign. I'm not very good in drawing, but hey, it still look like bunny in it. It's almost done. As you can see, guys, I didn't show you how I cut all the letters because I don't want to bore you to death, and that's the reason why I did the magic cut. Okay, it's almost done. Like what I said before, you know, kids can also do these crafts. Because it's quite fun really to do all this crafting. So it's almost there, guys, and this is the outcome of our Easter sign. Hope you like it, guys. And project number 4 are all these carrots. So again, guys, it's a leftover material or cloth from last year. I made the pumpkins out of this cloth, and I still have this leftover, so we are going to use it for our carrots. So I used the sleeve, and I'm just cutting it into a triangle shape, and let's just cut it into half in a triangle shape, as you can see, guys, because I don't want to waste any of this cloth. So let's just stick it together using a glue gun. Again, they are very easy project, guys. Just cut a triangle, stick it all on this edge, what I'm talking about, all the edges. And now let's turn it inside out and put some cotton on it. Fill it up with cotton. I struggle a bit because I think I made that too small. No, it's not too small, too narrow at the end. So as you can see, I'm filling up with cotton. Okay, so that it looks like real carrots. You see? It's getting there. I use a bit of glue gun because I didn't put enough, I guess. And I don't want all those cotton to stick out later on. And now let's put more glue gun and put all the greeneries to make it really looks like a real carrots. And these are all the outcome, guys. Project number 5 is this Easter egg tree. I always wanted to make this, guys, and again I have all this natural color egg and I want it to be more colorful, so I took it outside and I'm using this leftover paint from my candles to make it more colorful, because the natural color egg is just so boring, though it's a bit too colorful, guys, but it's better, I think, than the normal color. And as you can see, guys, my paintbrush is too big, but I don't have any other brush, guys. I got only one, so I just have to make use or try to use the things that I've got. At the end of the day, what matters is to finish the job. And now when it's dry, I took my glue and I have some glitter, so I'm trying to put some glitters on. Again, guys, I don't have any brush, so I'm just using my finger to fill up with some glue, and I'm using my finger as well to put all those glitters. And actually, I prefer it this way because if I use my brush, I cannot control how much glitters could I put into these eggs, because I've done last time and it's got messy and there are lots of glitters that it spills on the floor. So that's the reason why, that's my excuse. I just use my finger. And now we need to put all those string to use so that we could hang it into our tree. Tree. Not tray. Tree. Okay. So I just use all those string. I'm using glue gun to put those strings. And that's it. Done. And then we have to hang it into our tree. I always wanted to make this, guys. Really, I dreamed to make this one. And finally, I managed to make them. I'm really happy with this Easter egg tree. And this is the outcome, guys. And project number 6 is my favorite, my throw pillow cover. This is a very easy project, guys. I love doing this. Every season, I have to change my throw pillow cover. And as you can see, I'm just gonna measure the size of my pillow and just cut all the edges. As you can see, so easy. Just cut the shape of your pillow. Just give an extra 1 inch. And then just glue gun all sides. Just leave one side to stick the pillow. That's it. It's very easy project. I always love to make these things. And as you can see, guys, I love this blanket. It's very nice, it's soft, it's cozy. And that's the reason why I chose to make this as my throw pillow cover. Almost done, guys. And that's it. This is the outcome. Once again, I repeat myself, if you haven't subscribed or connected to my beautiful co-host, Miss Marika, please go and check her channel. I will write down her link into my description box, and so as all the participants. Once again, thank you so much and God bless. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.